You know that feeling when you see a company's logo or even just its colors and you instantly know who it is? That's not magic, and it definitely doesn't happen by accident. It happens because they have a rule book. So today, we are pulling back the curtain on that rule book, the guide that makes sure a brand shows up looking and feeling the same every single time. Let's dive in. So, what happens when a brand doesn't have any rules? Well, imagine you have a friend who's super serious and quiet one day, and then the life of the party the next. It'd be pretty confusing, right? You'd never know what to expect. That's exactly what a brand without a rulebook is like. It's just unpredictable and honestly pretty hard to connect with. And that brings up a really big question you should be asking yourself. I mean, think about it. Your company, your personal brand, whatever project you're working on, does your brand have a consistent personality? Does it look, sound, and feel the same no matter where people find it? Because the difference is night and day. A consistent brand, it feels clear, it's memorable, and most importantly, it's trustworthy. You know what you're gonna get. But an inconsistent one, it's just noise. It gets confusing, it's super easy to forget, and it just feels unreliable. You're trying to build a relationship, not just have a random forgettable encounter. Okay, so how do we get away from all that chaos and actually build that trust? Simple. You need an official rule book. A single source of truth that lays out exactly how your brand should show up in the world. And that rulebook has a name. It's called a brand style guide. Its whole job is to take all these different pieces, we're talking the logo, the colors, the fonts, even the tone of voice you use, and make sure they all work together as one cohesive whole. It's the document that ensures everyone on your team is playing from the same sheet of music. I absolutely love this way of putting it. A brand style guide is a rule set for how the brand should live in the world. See, it's not just about what colors to use. It's about its entire personality and how it interacts with people. It's basically the brand's constitution. All right, so we get what it is and why it's so important. But where do you even begin to build one? Well, the whole process is really about coordinating all those individual pieces. It pretty much boils down to these three key steps. First, you've got to identify every single element of your brand. Your main colors, your logos, your fonts, the way you talk. Second, you coordinate them all, figuring out how they fit together harmoniously. And finally, you write it all down to create that cohesive guide. It's a super clear path from chaos to clarity. And when you do all that, you finally get to the ultimate goal. Your brand starts living this cohesive life. It shows up as one clear, unified front, no matter where people see it. And this right here, this is the big payoff. It doesn't matter if a customer sees your brand on social media, on your website, or on a product in a store, the experience is always the same. It's one single cohesive brand. That is the power of having a clear rulebook. And the benefits are just huge. This kind of cohesion builds instant recognition, so people know it's you in a split second. It establishes trust because, hey, you're consistent and reliable. And crucially, it gives your own team a clear map to follow, making sure everyone is representing the brand in the right way, every single time. It's all about being unified inside and out. So we figured out that great brands, the ones that really stick with you, have a rule set for how they live in the world. Which brings us to the final question, and this one's for you. What are the rules your brand lives by? And if you can't answer that right away, well, it might be time to start writing your own rulebook.